Recording in
Namaste, greetings to everyone. Welcome to yet another episode of Aham Brahmasmi. And this is a beautiful new moon. It's also the start of what we call as Gupta Navratri, where we connect to the goddess inside of us. There are two Navratris in the year where we connect to the outer celebrations, and two Navratris in the year where we connect to the inner goddess. And this is the second Gupta Navratri. So, first and foremost, let me say that we connect to the goddess within us. Om Matre Namaha, as we say in Sanskrit, which means I bow down to the Divine Mother. It's the first day of the new month and a great time for manifesting, a great time for creating a new wave of peace. And the Mother Goddess always stands for benevolent compassion, love, but also standing up for the truth and seeking the truth. She makes us understand that no one is coming to rescue us. So awaken that inner goddess within you and stand up for yourself, which is also the message for today. And what is the meditation for today? Let us look into it. And just like every time, I'm going to ask you to gently relax yourself. Make sure you keep away all distractions, keep away all the any energy which is keeping you distracted. You may keep your phone on airplane mode or make sure that all the distractions are taken care of. And in today's meditation, we are going to start with this beautiful, what I call as the new moon manifestation. And if you are going to listen this video to at any later point of time, it will still work for you. As manifestation, we open ourselves up to the divine support and creative energy of the divine. And divine greetings to you. My name is Dr. Ashwini Chube. I am a dragon teacher and an ascension teacher with the Dinah Cooper School of White Light. I am also a Reiki Grandmaster, an angel therapist and teacher, and a master healer, an Akashic Records healer, and the founder of Unicorn Insight Lightwork, as well as Unicorn Insight 5D Ascensions. I would gently ask you to make sure you start relaxing. Close your eyes, drop your shoulders. Take a gentle deep breath in and exhale. Another beautiful deep breath in and exhale. With every breath, visualize, imagine, and know that you are going deeper and deeper into a state of consciousness. You are absolutely safe and relaxed as we do this meditation. Visualize beautiful rose gold roots extending from the base of your feet, which is your Earth Star chakra, going deep into Mother Earth. Let these roots anchor you fully and help you draw up nurturing support energy from Earth. Visualize them passing through various layers, connecting to the center of the Earth. All the crystals and all the energies in Mother Earth are right now supporting and holding you. And now let's connect to Source or God by whatever name you call it. Visualize your crown chakra and the subsequent upper chakras receiving energetic connection to the source or to God. And you can gently say a silent prayer in your heart with whichever divine being you connect to, because I always connect to Lord Mahadev, I'm going to simply say Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. And you can chant whatever you connect to the form of God, the way you see them. There are no rights and wrongs here. We now ask Archangel Metatron to come and place a golden globe of sacred geometry all around us, holding our light in divine intelligence. And this orange gold globe keeps you in the higher frequencies. Your guardian angel comes and wraps you with a blanket of pure white light, keeping you safe and centered. And Master Merlin places his magical staff of power and wisdom around your energetic field, activating your inner alchemy. Visualize all these layers of light all around you. Let's now call upon air, fire, water, and earth dragons to come from 4 directions and protect our space. Feel them create a powerful elemental shield around you, cleansing and stabilizing your space, whether it is home, office, vehicle. We now call upon the 9th dimensional celestial unicorns. Feel them placing you inside a shimmering crystalline bubble of divine light, raising your frequency and preparing for manifestation. As we do this process, we also invoke the presence of Master Merlin, the master alchemist of the higher realms, Archangel Uriel, the bringer of divine ideas and mental clarity, Archangel Jophiel, who brings beauty, joy, and inner wisdom, Mother Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Narayan, the divine energies of abundance, grace, and cosmic balance, Lord Ganesha or Ganpati, who is the bringer of auspiciousness, and the angels of manifestation who are here to guide all your desires. Now at this moment, I want you to know that you are safe, and you could take a few seconds and think of something you would like to manifest or create. If you're not clear about what you want to manifest, you can simply ask for clarity. That would be your first step. And take a few seconds to do that. And now visualize Master Merlin stepping into your place, placing a glowing golden scroll in your hands. He represents highest divine manifestation. And he whispers to you, you are the co-creator. The alchemy begins in your heart. We now ask Lord Ganesh to bless us with his auspiciousness. You can visualize Lord Ganesh standing in front of you with Om written on his hand, through which he blesses you. And there is this golden light which enters your auric field. This is blessing from Lord Ganesh. And you can at this point ask him to remove any obstacles from your path, known, unknown, conscious, unconscious. Maybe you're aware of them, maybe you're not. Also, if you're feeling lazy, unmotivated to take action, ask him to remove that obstacle too. And this beautiful Lord will gently bless you with his light. Let's now invoke the presence of and invite Archangel Uriel, who brings you a burst of golden red light straight into your solar plexus. Solar plexus is the region below your chest and above your navel. This is the power center, and this is where manifestation begins. On the third dimension, it's a yellow colored chakra, but as you move higher in frequency, it starts shining in golden light, and it also has sparkling rainbow lights in it. So Archangel Uriel, along with his twin flame Archangel Aurora, enter. They empower you, your divine will, confidence, and mental clarity. So for all those who are feeling not clear about your manifestation, ask them to support you. Next enters Archangel Jophiel, who activates your crown chakra with gold yellow light, clearing old beliefs and downloading beauty, joy, divine ideas, celestial wisdom. He will help you with the wisdom to understand what is it that you want to manifest and will guide you towards taking those little steps. Also, if you're an overthinker, which means you're sinking into lower vibrations by being logical, he will ask you to let go of all those lower vibrational so-called logical ideas and will help you connect to the celestial wisdom of the universe. Jophiel, along with his twin flame, Christine, is now helping you put this beautiful light into your crown chakra. Let's also now ask Goddess Lakshmi, Mother Goddess Lakshmi, and Lord Narayan. So you can even visualize Goddess Lakshmi walking towards you. She sits on a lotus and she places a radiant pearl of abundance and grace in your heart. You feel your frequency rise. And Lord Narayan radiates cosmic balance and steadiness. He blesses you with divine alignment, where what you manifest serves not only you but the whole. Together, Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Narayan empower you with codes of abundance, prosperity, wellness, grace, and balance in all your heart. You feel your aura sparkling with divine light. And now the little groups of angels called as angels of manifestation, they arrive, they surround you, they begin working with your energy field. They infuse it with light codes to call in what is aligned with your highest path. And now you are ready to state whatever you want to manifest. So you can quietly or mentally or even loudly state your manifestation. And you can begin by saying that I am so happy and grateful. That, and you can say anything about whatever you want to manifest. Also know that you can manifest for yourself, not for others. So it's highly likely that if you say that, help me with something, it will be sooner rather than saying, oh, please help my child get more marks. Although praying for your child is great. But when you manifest, say it for yourself, because we as individuals work on the law of free will. Whatever you ask, you will get it. Feel the golden energies all around you as you say your manifestation. You could even visualize that your manifestation is already done. And you are just grateful for that. Thank the angels, thank the divine energies. Give gratitude to the guides who assisted you today. And know that everything is happening and you will receive it at your divine timing whenever you are ready to receive the manifestation. You may even silently say that, I trust the divine process. I receive with grace. I manifest with love. I manifest with ease. The sacred container of light will continue supporting your manifestations over the upcoming days. Know that you have already put it in the universe. The universe is helping you. We are slowly now going to start coming back to where we started from. So you may visualize your guardian angels and your celestial team helping you align your auric centers, your auric fields, so that you can have rest of the day in ease. We also ask them to place a bubble of white light to keep you protected in this energy, whatever work you have done. You're aware of the angelic lights of Metatron, of Master Merlin, of Archangel Uriel, all surrounding you, and you feel grateful for that. You know you are connected to Mother Earth via your roots, and you express gratitude to all the divine beings who helped you in today's meditation, manifestation. Let us ask all the divine energies to clear any energetic structures if they were created in today's session and keep you protected in the white ball of light. We ask them to slowly start retreating as their blessings continue to stay with us. Gently start coming back to your consciousness by wiggling your toes, touching to your right, to your left, to your up, down. You may gently want to rub your palms, touch them on your face, hold your hands in Namaste. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And I'm your teacher, Dr. Ashwini Chube, a dragon teacher and an ascension teacher with the Dinah Cooper School of White Light, a Reiki Grandmaster, angel therapist, and master healer teacher. And like always, this meditation is brought to you with love, divine intention, and lots of blessings from the angelic. Thank you very much for listening to this meditation. If you enjoyed this, do share, subscribe to our channel, and yes, because this meditation is brought to you gently with love, free of any cost, I would request you to plant a tree after listening to this meditation and keep the balance in the energy field and in the universe balanced. Om Namah Shivaya, Har Har Mahadev. Thank you, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye.